walkthrough with me. And today we're going to show you about a new attachment that you can put on your baler afterwards to help you load your net wrap. So tell us a little bit more about what we got going on.
Well, we have a feature from a company by the name of Lankota. It is a net wrap lift assist feature that is on these John Deere balers. As everybody knows, the net wrap bales weigh upwards of about 100 pounds, and for some people, it's tedious to get them loaded into the baler and or off the ground or off the trucks. So Lankota has found the need for this system, for this feature, and I'm going to demonstrate on how it works.
Okay.
That is correct.
Okay, so it's battery operated, and it's got a little control handle on it for you to raise and lower the wind.
You want to make sure that your handles are still on your net wrap rolls, kind of keep them centered, and then hook up. Hook up the carrier that comes with it. What it will do, it will lift up your net wrap for you. And what this does, this allows you to fill up the cradle for your net wrap and also allow you to put one up in the storage compartment as well.
Okay, so how do we keep from losing this piece?
On the left-hand side of the baler, there are magnets that you put in place that will hold the cradle along with wrapping the wire switch up, and then it's got a magnet base to it as well.
And so that all comes with the entire kit.
That is correct.
So how much is this attachment?
The attachment is $1,100 through any of our AgFire locations. Installation is 3 to 4 hours, and I know people have asked already what balers do they fit. They'll actually fit the John Deere 6, 7, 8, 9 series balers along with the new M&R balers as well.
Okay, so this is something that can be purchased through our parts department. So if you are interested, talk with one of your local CSRs or your parts department, or I know Eric has helped a couple customers as well and get them set up with it and learn more about it. So contact your local AgFire representative